In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use Clearpay on Amazon and whether or not it is possible to do this. Clearpay and other similar apps are very popular at the moment because they allow you to manage your expenses much better. You can acquire products now and then pay on certain installments, which might make it easier for you to acquire certain products that you want. What you might be curious is if it is possible to use Clearpay on Amazon. To figure this out, all that you have to do is open the Clearpay mobile app on your phone, and on the home page, the shop option that you can find at the bottom left corner of the menu, you will be able to browse through all of the retailers and items that are sold inside of Clearpay. What you will notice, however, is that Amazon is nowhere to be seen. So as of today, is there any way to shop inside of Amazon using Clearpay as a payment method? Sadly, as it stands, Amazon does not accept Clearpay. Even if you are able to go to the Amazon website, when you reach the payment method window, you will not have the option to pay using Clearpay. And since to use Clearpay properly, you need to do this process through their own app, in there you will not be able to find Amazon. So as it stands, it is not possible to purchase items on Amazon using Clearpay. In order to use Clearpay properly, you have to open their app, go into the shop tab, and browse through all of the items in there. Or alternatively, tap the in-store option and you will see all stores that accept Clearpay in-store as a payment method. Besides these two menus, you will not be able to use Clearpay on other retailers or services, so make sure that you always purchase items using Clearpay through their mobile app to ensure that everything works. We can only hope that an update in the future addresses Amazon inside of Clearpay. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that even though Clearpay is very popular, Amazon does not take it as a payment method. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.